What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody? I hope all is well with you. If you're here for the first time, please, right now, go ahead and smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. All right, I'm back, guys, with Digital Wealth Pros. Today is going to be a little different. I just want to go over something really quickly with you far as getting started. Okay, I like to be transparent with people. So this is about getting started, what you should receive, and how that process flow should go. I'm bringing that up because I had an email. I'm not going to name the person. I'm not going to give their name. However, I want to bring this up so I can let you guys know this is why this is happening, because you're not following the process. Okay, so let's talk about it. Let's talk about what should be happening. Okay, the first step with this program. So let's talk about how this is going to go. You should call the 800 number. If you're interested in this program, there's no way to get in. Okay, you have to call the call center, the 800 number. Okay, this number right here, 800-232-2109. Here's my ID if you'd like to join me. Would love to work with you. 442-89634. Okay, I offer ongoing one-on-one support throughout your journey with you in Digital Wealth Pros. But this is why I'm bringing this up, because people aren't following instructions. Now, out of the blue, I received an email. I didn't sign this person up, but they reached out to me. Okay, this is what happens after the fact when you guys don't take your time and sign up with who you really want to sign up with. Okay, but this is the deal. So I want to save you some heartache going forward. Okay, I'm going to show you how the process flow should go. Okay, number one, you should not be paying the person that you're trying to join up front. Okay, that's not how that should go. All right, you should not be paying the person up front. You say you want to join whoever, and you just automatically send them the money. Then you calling the customer care and you're going, hey, nobody sent me anything, because you didn't follow the flow and you're panicking. So this is an email I received. So I want to read it, and I'm going to tell you how you should be doing this. This person says, how long did it take you to get your confirmation and instructions? Okay. They received my money on Friday, so they've paid whoever. Okay. And probably paid the company, you know, the 97 or the 197. But I haven't received anything yet. I text them and I left 2 messages. I would appreciate a response. Now remember, they didn't sign up with me, right? So I'm not sure why I'm getting this email. But with that being said, I want to address this with you guys. That has happened because they didn't follow the process. What this person should have done, what you should be doing if you want to join this program, is you should be going to the website, watching the video, number one. Number two, you call this number. You do not make a move until you've contacted the call center and they call you back. That's how this works. You call the call center, give the referral ID, you wait. They will call you back because they're going to send you an email. Okay? That way, see, there's no connection. If you pay the person first, the call center don't know anything about you doing what you're doing. Okay, you're not following the process. That's why it's a delay, because the person paid the sponsor first and then they're waiting on something from the call center. It wouldn't have gone down that way. So what you need to do is let's go over it again. You go to the website. My link is below, earnwithpandora.com. Watch the video, call the call center, leave a message. They call you back. When you get them on the phone, if you're ready to get started, they're going to send you an email. It's going to be a welcome email from them. See, this way they are notified. Okay. They have to initiate the sign up. Okay. So they're going to send you an email. Let me show you what it looks like. Do not pay before you get this email. Okay, in this email, see, it says welcome, and it has my name and my ID, and they give you a login so that you can pay the person you're joining. Okay, so let me show you a little bit more. I'm gonna cover this up because I don't want to show the password. Okay, this is very important. Okay, so when they sent me the email, there is a login right here. Okay, and they will assign you a temporary password. And it says right here, your next step is to log into your back office using your temporary password above to locate the payment options for your admin and sponsor payments. So if you paid the person first, the customer care has no idea what's going on. So now you're panicking. You say, hey, I paid and I'm waiting for them to give me access. What's going on? Because you were out of order. Okay, so this is how this goes. And it says here, if you have any issues getting into your back office, please feel free to contact the admin for assistance. Remember, you will not have complete access until both the sponsor and the admin payment have been received and approved. But if you didn't follow this process, the company has no idea what's going on. Okay, so this is very important. So those are the steps you want to take. And then after you've made that payment, your sponsor is going to mark you paid. And then you will see you'll have access to your back office in your members area. But you're not going to have access if you did not contact the call center first, because they're the ones that's going to give you your login information. Okay, this is very critical, guys. But I know folks want to take shortcuts and then they panic and they go, hey, I've paid, what's going on? That will be the only reason why you wouldn't have access, because the call center would have given you your login information. Okay, so it's very important to follow these steps. Okay, so if you guys have any questions about that, reach out to me. But this is how this needs to go. Call the call center first. Let them send you an email. Do not make the payment, because otherwise they don't know. They don't know you've paid your sponsor, and then you've left messages, but you've just not followed the process. So it's very important. Okay, so with that being said, if you'd like to get started with me in this program, I think it's an awesome program, and definitely for beginners, or if you've never made money online and you've tried everything, I think this will be great for you. You're able to make $200 commissions, $400 commissions, and $800 commissions instantly, any way you want. They also you also get overrides with this too. Okay, so that's going to be 4 payments that you'll be able to make: 200, 400, 600, and 800. Okay, with the overrides. But definitely log in, go to the website in the link, and watch this 7-minute video. Then make the call, jot down your questions, make the call to the call center, give them my ID. Would love to work with you, 442-896-34. Their call center is going to close your sales. There's nothing for you to speak to anybody about unless they have a question about the payment, okay, after they've gotten that email. So there's really no conversation. They'll close them out. They're going to send your prospects the email for them to click the links to make the payment to you. So until you've heard from them, you shouldn't be making a payment to someone. Otherwise, you're going to be just waiting and waiting, and you're going to be frustrated because you're like, hey, I paid. Why I'm not in? Okay, so that's how that works. So go check this out. And I've got a bonus for everybody that gets started. Reach out to me and we will talk about it. With that being said, thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell, guys, so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Until next time, see you guys in the next video. Be safe out there. Have a blessed day.